my white, I'm throwing up my red flag. Drinking my red stag. And I am no not part of the Drake clan. Or you see me, I am straight president. Show, not really, I just set precedent. Every time I smoke this, I am a spokesperson for the people that be really broke, feeling that they gotta reach the top of the potent ceiling. It's really always limited, we feel like we can finish it cause the scrimmage is too damn. Spectators are calm, we got betters and investors and people taking pawns and moving them around at their discretion. How does that sound? Not nice, I'll tell you why, ha 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 ha, right. And I don't feel like I should be giving you my rights or my advice too, cause I got a couple of the thoughts in my head like, yeah, nice dude. You really make all of the nice moves when you try to feel like life really, really is so damn nice moves. But we don't really feel it in the back, we got it in the front. And it's a feeling that I've got is one of retractability and such. I don't really feel like anything is too real anymore. Like, what's the deal with half the people that really try to deal shit like distributing when you ain't gotta deal with shit? Boy, we feeling like we gotta make some noise. Chilling in the shed, feeling like we are just moving through the dead, down beneath the stars and revolving around this. All of the circulation in the atmosphere, we feel the precipitation is waiting to take us in. While we're evaporating and Satan is really trying to hold us down, cause he doesn't want procreation to be pro-nation and prolong life. That means that I would like to live a long life. Of course, so I would take care of my body, I would drink to cleanse it, and I would feel it up in the morning, and I feel like I can keep on going and going and going and moaning every now and again because it's slowing it. Mondays I don't feel it, so Sundays and blunt days, and so kill it fresh, and I don't mean that murderish-ish, and I don't really fiend. So anything I drop, make sure that you cop. Not really, you can do it if you want. I don't bring the pop, I bring this, oh my gosh. Did he just open his jaws and drop all of those words out of his mouth? Like, boy, he's building quotes in his head, it's uncontrollable, and I don't think he's controlling the circle that is angling right before his head, and he is folding and he's strangling all below his dread. Not really, I am almost bald, and I feel like I am really short. I wish I was tall, but I don't think that I will ever get this, so fuck it all. Don't be so pessimistic, what you talking about? You're not wearing lipstick, you're not a tranny weak or hermaphrodite to stick his dick into a fucking ass. So boy, you gotta relax. What? That's the syntax errors made up in there. So I feel like if a grammatical professor came around here, then he would have a lot of problems, and I would see a lot of red markings, and I feel like I would be caught dead stark, naked in front of Stark Industries, waiting for Iron Man to pull out his little iron hand and build another ironclad. I hope that he is moving at the speed, cause Iran is moving at the speed of nuclear empowerment. The whole tower is moving down, and I feel like the clouds are... This thing's still recording, dude. Might as well check it.